Hello, welcome to the Saturday MP show, episode number 82, being recorded mostly live January 19th, 2026. This is a show, at least currently, where we're playing around in Go and we're trying to build a PostCast application, which will hopefully, if it works, will save us a bunch of time. It'll post to a bunch of social media sites. Just a simple exe you can run on your computer, and it'll post to a bunch of social media sites, so you don't have to manually cut and paste your post to at least in this case for us, it's Slack and LinkedIn are the two pain in the butt ones for us. And then, every once in a while I post to Mastodon as well, but hopefully, and then we could add other ones as need be. And this for people who've watched the previous videos, like I assume people just watch these like as soon as they come out. It's just like a TV show. I doubt it. Nobody watches these videos, but in the previous videos, we built up the basics testable application. We have a simple little app that we can run, and then we also did GitHub Actions now. So we have some GitHub Actions, so we'll actually can build it for Linux at least. We ran into some problems with Windows and Mac OS, but the GitHub Actions works and it builds it for Linux. And today, if all goes according to plan, we will hopefully have a little UI running, and maybe we'll see how far we get to connecting with the LinkedIn part. So again, these are mostly live. If you're interested in like a short little video where everything just magically works, this is not it. Maybe one day if someone ever wants to edit my videos and make me look smarter, they can just cut out all the crap, and then it'll just, it'll be a 5-minute video of us getting the core UI and LinkedIn automatically working. But for now, I don't know, I just hit record and let it run. Because I don't know, it's kind of fun. I hope other people find these useful too. But it's enough about me. We're joined by Omar again. So Omar is a host of the weekly dev chat with me, and he was one of the main instigators of why we should do this because when we create weekly dev chat every week, we have to post what we're doing. Oh yeah, hey, if you're in Edmonton, come to the swap meet. But every week we generally have a post for the topic and everything, and so we have to post to the website, we have to post it to LinkedIn, we post it to the Dev Edmonton Slack channel, and that's just a real pain in the butt. So Omar and Norm were complaining about that, so we decided to try and fix it. So thanks, Omar, for instigating this. This has been fun. Do you want to introduce yourself again there, Omar?
Yes. So my name is Omar. I'm a web developer. Come from different background, non-traditional background. Started in music and economics, and I like to say I was plucking the strings, and now I'm concatenating them or concatenating them. But yeah, it's this has been exciting for me because most of the work I've done, most of the experience I've had has been in web. So this is kind of the first time I'm doing a desktop application. Um, I've done some here and there with Java development before, but it wasn't really a full-fledged graphical user interface and so on. It was really just an application you just sort of compile and it was basically something you just see the output in the terminal or whatever. So there wasn't really a graphical user interface. So this is kind of the first one. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to be here with you, Chris, working on this, and also excited about not having the headache anymore of having to sort of post these things and multiple different places and basically doing that same workflow,
Yeah.
Week in, week out. So yeah, looking forward to what we come up with here today.
Yeah, and I don't know. Worst case scenario, I don't know. We learned something new. Second worst case scenario, it's just a little tool that only we use. We never release it. We haven't made this repo public yet. Hopefully we will eventually, but we're still mucking around with it. So best case scenario, we have a tool that everyone really likes to use. And then we're internet famous for a day. So so last week at the end of the video, we had discussed we were working on GitHub Actions, and you had kind of taken that over and created this PR. So basically, we have a simple build for that just builds on Linux, and it only builds the Linux one because you ran into some trouble with Windows and Mac. Of course, there was that whole bug, so we've given up on Mac for now. There was that whole bug with Mac, so. But yeah, we have a basic build working, and we downloaded this earlier. So like it posts the build to GitHub Actions. So we downloaded this and tested it so it works. So I think that's a great start. I like creating these little builds, even just partial builds right from the get-go, because it can be really tricky at the end of a project to actually get something that's production ready and that you release, and how do you compile it for the different ones. In our case, for the different operating systems, but at least we got one working now. We can slowly build on this as we kind of work on our alpha builds and beta. And eventually, if we get like to a point where we're kind of somewhat happy with this, we can open this up and just tell people, you just download this and see if it works. Like we could even ask some people in Dev Edmonton Society or something, some people we trust, just to download it, give us some feedback, let us know if it works, and then tweak our builds. So that's what we did last time. And today we're going to update this plan. This is kind of a plan created by AI that I created a while ago. But of course it's changed. Originally we didn't have this phase 2 create GitHub action, so I added that in there now. So today we're going to try to do the core. We'll basically just have a basic UI where we can enter some text, I think. Maybe some text. I think we'll just start with text and then maybe like tags or I don't know, something like that. Because each one of these social media sites is a little different. And then we'll just try and get LinkedIn. So maybe by the end of this hour and a half, we can post something to LinkedIn. I don't know. That'd be exciting if that works. We'll have to see. I don't know. I wonder if my LinkedIn feed will be filled with a bunch of garbage test posts that maybe I'll just have to delete right away. I wonder how that works. But that's the plan. So I think the first thing we're going to do, though, we talked about this a little bit. So this is mostly live, but we did a little bit of discussion beforehand, is we'll clean up this plan, and then I'll create a proper agents file, just so when we use the AI agents here to help us build this, which we'll probably use in some way, shape, or form, it doesn't get confused. And then, we'll just do that real quick. So like this is almost like an agents file right here, but let's clean this up. So the plan is the MVP core UI. Do we want... Oh yeah, do we want to do the credential storage? Because we will need an API key for LinkedIn somewhere, somehow.
Right.
I'll have to remember when we're doing this video. I'm probably going to have to show that key at some point, and I have to remember to like blank that out.
You mean besides just having it as an environment variable somewhere?
Yeah, because if it's a GUI application, we'll need a place to store it. So maybe we'll add that. I don't know. I kind of want to get something working. So maybe let's put this up here. We'll do the credential storage thing later. Like, let's just get a proof of concept working. Register LinkedIn developer app. This could be a big pain in the butt. This is what AI created. I haven't actually read about how to do this, so we'll see. And then we could do the credential storage after. And then build binaries. Oh, we're already working on that. So let's move these. I don't know. Let's get these out of here. So that's the plan. And this would be like, I don't know, post MVP enhancements would be like add Slack integration. Sure. What was the... Oh, shoot, I deleted all those things. What was the other thing I got rid of?
MVP enhancements.
Yeah, what was the other thing in my plan? I guess I can look here.
Slack Mastodon.
Oh, the polish and build. Oh, yeah, the builds for each one of the things. So, right, build for Mac OS and Windows. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, I think if we could get, like, I'd be really happy if we just got to this working today. Just basic LinkedIn integration. Even if I just store the key insecurely right now. Oh, you sent me a link for something here.
I did. I just left the link to the LinkedIn API documentation page.
Oh, let's see. Let's bring your ideas to life. Okay. Hmm. Great.
So if you go into or
Oh,
okay,
I'll have to
there's
sign
the
in.
doc and tools that takes you to
Oh, okay. This is what you're talking about?
no, there's like okay, so if you go, yeah, just up there you see docs, link for docs and tools by
Oh, up
products and
here. Yeah.
links. Yeah.
Oh, wait, they have a postman. Okay. Oh, that's not very useful. Okay. Well, it might be useful, but docs or token tools. Okay. Okay. So they have things that'll help us. Yeah. So we'd have to authenticate and then send the request that we want. So I'm assuming we should. I wonder where their API.
So it says there's a get API access section here. LinkedIn API uses OAuth 2.0 for user authorization and API authentication. Applications must be authorized and authenticated before they can fetch data from LinkedIn or get access to member data. This page summarizes the available permissions and partner programs available for accessing LinkedIn APIs.
I don't care about getting other people's data. I just want to post to mine.
Yeah, but I think to give you access even to yours, it might just be the same flow, right? Because it's dealing with your application, like it's something that needs authentication.
Yeah, we will still need to authenticate.
Yeah.
Use LinkedIn API to post. Post? Okay. Yeah, okay, they do have a posts API. Oh, sure, that's fine. See if you haven't yet migrated. Okay, is this the old? The marketing version 2025. Oh, okay, this is super old. Okay. Yeah, okay. We want to be in the January 2026 one. Okay, I think that's what that means. There's a
So there's
post.
something called member auth.
Oh, to
There's
authenticate ourselves?
yeah. Applications must be authorized and authenticated before they can fetch data from LinkedIn or get access to LinkedIn member data.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're saying. You don't care about getting access to LinkedIn member data.
No, I
We're
just
really just
want,
into fetching data from LinkedIn.
yeah. So I'm assuming I can create my own API key for like under my account, but I'd have to see. Client
And there are
login.
several third-party libraries in the open source community which abstract OAuth 2.0 authentication process in every major programming language. LinkedIn does not support TLS 1.0.
Oh, that's fine. That's kind of old. So
Yeah, it's old news.
yeah. So yeah, because we'll have to, like, our app will have to basically log in, get a token. So it'll probably get a token so that we can do requests. And then once we get that token or something like that, then we can
Right.
start sending.
Requests to the API.
Yeah, then we can be like, hey, post this.
Right.
Yeah. Like here's your you have your bearer token that you add every time.
Yeah. So getting the token is obviously the first step here.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess a good thing we could do is, oh, I was going to update this too first, but so maybe I'll get the AI just to update, create an agents file and stuff for us while we look at the other things. So let me create a branch for that. Feature, create agent files. Sure. Which one do you want to? I either use GitHub Copilot or I'll use Claude Code in the terminal. Is what I usually do. I don't usually use this Claude Code here. I just jump right to the terminal. I don't know, which one do you want to try?
Is there a big difference if or is it more the agent that you're or the the actual like LLM layer that you're selecting? So whether it's Chat GPT 4.5, I guess now.
Yeah, yeah. To be truthful, I pretty much use Claude, even with GitHub
Yeah,
Copilot. I found the agent for GitHub Copilot is not as good for larger tasks, but that's very limited experimentation on my part. I haven't tried, and I usually just use Claude, Sonnet, or Opus. And I have a Claude subscription, like the 20, I guess $30 Canadian one a month, and then I
oh,
have the
okay.
GitHub Pro plan, which I think is about $40 American a month, which gives me a bunch of access to all these models. Um, so sometimes I've run out of the Claude Code subscription because they have limits, and then I switch
Yeah,
over to the the GitHub agent, uh, Copilot agent. But we could try either one.
I'm sort of curious about GPT-5 for some reason.
You want to try? Okay, so then I have to use the agent. I have to use. I don't use GPT-5. Okay, let's try it. I basically in GitHub Copilot, I've enabled all the ones. So
Yeah,
I have no idea what the difference between these are. There's Codex, Codex Max, 5 point. What is Codex? Is that their coding one?
I assume so. Codex.
Oh, let's do this. What? Let's ask them what it is. What is the GPT 5.2 Codex model? We're asking itself. Oh, I thought oh, like maybe it's so new I have to enable it. Okay. Uh, how is Codex model different from other GPT models? Oh, GPT models. Oh, okay. Okay. So I guess the name, it's in the name. So we probably want to use the codex one, right? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Codex. Ooh.
And I guess
Max?
5.2 is the
Oh, yeah.
newest one.
Yeah, I'm assuming. Sure. Let's try this 5.21. Okay. So,
Now this works because you have enough is it tokens that
yeah, yeah, GitHub has a usage whatever field. Can I, let me see. Maybe I could, I'm going to move, I'm going to move some of this around. How do I want to do this? Let's move this over here. Oops. All right. And then I'm going to I'm already logged into GitHub. How do I see my usage again? Is there anything I don't want to show on this page? I think this is fine. So on GitHub Copilot. So again, I have the Pro subscription, Pro Plus or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Which I might drop down just to Pro, but so I get so many requests or premium requests. I can't remember how all this works. So if I use, and then there's all the models are down here. You can enable. I think this is more for organization. So like if you and I were part of the same company, I could choose which models are enabled for you, but
Okay.
and then I think there's a limit. Like if I use Opus, it's 3 times my usage rate, and 4.1 for some reason is 10 times. So, and then using these old models, because I think Microsoft owns GPT or it has a good partnership with OpenAI. Like these ones are free, and all these other ones are just 1. So
I see.
I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, please create an agent.md file for you and other coding agents too.
So just a heads up, you're on the ask selection there as
Oh,
opposed to the agent one. I don't know if you
yep,
want it to
perfect. Thank
be.
you. Agents. Please inspect the small. All right, I don't know. Just let it do its thing here. Okay, it could do its thing. And then what were we going to do? We were going to try and get a LinkedIn API key? Or just to
Yeah,
see.
exactly.
Yeah, so because what we should probably do is we should probably just try like doing curl commands and stuff to see how it works. So
Exactly. Yeah.
okay, let's just clear this up again. No, I don't want this. I want this is a verified LinkedIn API key. I just want all their docs. So get API access. Okay. Okay, so I probably need to sign in with LinkedIn. So let me do that. I'll just sign up off screen here. Oh, and then I need to use the authenticator app.
So I guess we're gonna want that third permission for our purposes, which is the share on LinkedIn program with and this W_member_social permission, because that's what allows you to post.
Okay. So this is me. Now, where do I have to? Oh, we need this. The following feature is available to all developers. Oh, okay. Oh, through the developer portal. What is the developer portal? Here. My apps. Oh, okay, cool. Because I'm logged in. I'm assuming this is where I create a key. Okay. PostCast. Oh, do I sign this up as SaturdayMP or me? Oh, privacy
So
policy. Sorry, go ahead.
yeah, I might as well put it under, you know, you have SaturdayMP already signed up as a organization.
Yeah. So do I have to create an app to get the key? Is that what I need to do? Oh, go away. Okay, yeah, I probably have to create an app. Oh, I didn't realize we had to create. Okay, PostCast. I just want the API key. Enter your
So
company's
it
name or
says,
link to company page. Sorry, go ahead.
um, I don't know if I'm in the right. This is LinkedIn Learning APIs. Okay, no, I'm not in the right place here. That's why I was a bit confused.
Privacy policy.
Here we go.
Don't really have a logo yet. I've read. This is the logo displayed to users when they authorize with your app. But everyone's going to need their own. I just want an API key. Oh, what's this? Chat with Help Assistant. Okay. How do I get an API key to post to my own account?
I think you do have to make an application.
Boo, I need a logo? All I have is that crappy PostCast logo. Okay. Create an API key. That's where we are, right? Developers. Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking like you need to. This is usually how these things work.
Boo. Okay. Logo. Oh shoot, I don't want to show all that. Okay. Let's. Boop. I'll just upload the PostCast logo, I guess, that I have. Where did I put that thing? Logo. The one I use for the videos for now, because obviously this is just a test. We'll change this too.
Right.
Okay. Hooray! Oh no, I think I just have. Oh, I did it again. I think I just have the PostCast. Is it this one? Yeah, there we go. Okay, good enough. I'm gonna pretend. I'm gonna see if we need a privacy policy. Hopefully, we don't. Oh, okay. So, share on LinkedIn. I don't want to advertise. I don't want live events. What are the endpoints for this? Like, all I want to do is the post.
Yeah.
Images. Yeah, post, right? Create a post.
Yeah, that's what you need. You just need that permission that with
Yeah.
member social or W member social.
Okay, I agree. Don't want to be spammy. Okay. All right. So we have this. auth. Oh. Yeah, it's probably lots of stuff. I have to edit this video a bunch probably. Okay. That's my secret, it looks like.
Yeah.
If we get a token, it lives for 2 months. Okay. Products, that's just this. Analytics. Oh, there's people using it. Just me. Oh, okay. So I guess so if you were going or someone else was going to use PostCast, like the Go application, you would have to set all this up yourself. Okay, that's fine. Before you could post to LinkedIn.
I don't think so. Like, this is for the application, right? Like, as if I'm using the application.
Yeah, but I don't want to give out my key. I don't want you posting as me. No way, Jose.
Right, right,
You're gonna
right.
have to
Yeah,
create
yeah,
your
yeah.
own. You're gonna have to create your
Yes.
own secret or whatever and log in. Okay, so we have the
Yeah,
secret.
yeah.
So now, let's see. How do I? I'm just gonna move that one off the screen for now. Okay, let's see if we can find a curl command we can run that. So we got API access theoretically. Overview.
Right, because this is in your account. This is
Yeah.
in your personal account. Yeah. Now, does that mean we're gonna have to set up like a whole I guess we'll have to set up like a whole sort of auth flow on the front end of the.
It's looking like it, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we can use. Oh, do I have Postman installed on my computer? I don't know. Okay, yeah. So each page is assigned a unique client ID and a client secret. Client secret, blah blah blah. Make sure to keep it secure. Yeah, like I'll probably even after this video, I'll probably trash this and recreate it. Do not share your client
Good
secret.
idea.
Request an authorization code. So, okay. So we want to authorize ourselves with my client ID, redirect to the callback URL, which I don't think we need. Okay, and this member social, I guess, is what we put at the end. This would be my email address, I'm assuming. Okay. But yeah, I don't want to.
Oh, that's why you need the redirect URL because you're gonna need to approve it as the member.
The member approves your application's request to their data.
So you're gonna be doing both because you're right now you are the application and the member.
Oh, okay. So we have
So
to be.
what I imagine is gonna happen is that you're gonna um, make that first call to the yeah to the OAuth endpoint, and then um, that should open up or I guess it should give you it should return a callback URL or redirect you. Sorry, you're going to be redirected.
Yeah.
So I guess I'll just open that up in the browser to a page where um,
Where we share what talent different use case for talent solutions. Was it marketing solutions that we were in? I think so, right?
I think so. I think you were just the
Yeah,
Was
posts.
it the
Here we are.
Oh, marketing one. Okay.
Okay. So create an organic post. This is what we want. Postman, LinkedIn developer. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let me, can I enter the client secret? I'm curious if it'll be hidden. Let's copy that. Oh, okay. That is a nice hidden field. Okay, cool. All right. Client ID we don't care about. What's the base URL?
This was just the LinkedIn.com, like the HTTPS www.linkedin.com.
We didn't. If we go back here, sign in to view authorization method. Oh, am I not signed in? Sign up for free. Oh, I have to sign into Postman. Oh, okay. It's got a base URL, which I don't know what that is. What was the base URL?
I think it's just www.linkedin.com, right?
Could be. But maybe let's just go back to the author. Where's the? Do they have the authorization ones here? Audience? No, no, no. If I go here, back here. Doesn't look like they have the
API.linkedin.com.
what's there?
API.linkedin.com. That's the
Yeah.
host.
Page not found.
Oh, okay.
Let's just try. Okay, what if we run? It's kind of weird. They don't have just curl commands for these, but maybe you have to run them in the browser.
Well, this is the page where it's got the request methods for the API. It looks like it's api.linkedin.com slash like v2 version 2.
Getting access section. Yeah, that we got. Authorized using browser. Each application is assigned a client ID.
They also have a tutorial you can follow, but it's using Apache Maven.
Okay.
Oh, but that's weird. Here it says, I guess that's to get the token or www.linkedin.com/OAuth.
Sample
That's just
request.
to get authenticated. Yeah, okay. Which I guess would be the base URL in that case then, right?
So, okay. Copied this. LinkedIn, auth response, type. So type code, client ID, your client ID. It's not asking for my secret, though. That's interesting. By providing valid LinkedIn credentials, that member approves your application's request to access their member data and interact with LinkedIn on their behalf. I guess this is okay. They're treating like this is like a website. I have a website that wants to do things, not a desktop app.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it
Oh,
would be like postcast.com.
yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit different.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'd have a like a redirect flow.
Do I need the redirect URL?
You probably don't, right?
It says yes.
But how's that going to work if you can't really do this as a curl command.
Yeah. Curl commands to test. Oh, wait, once we have the token. Yeah, once we have the token, we're good. Authentication. Oh, okay. So we could maybe access this OAuth 2. Maybe.
Still asking for a redirect URI.
Yeah, which is kind of weird. I guess we could just try putting in anything.
Yeah.
linkedin.com.oauth2.access token. Is that actually a URL? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Is it legacy though, or is it like because in the documentation it says /authorization. There's nothing about /access token.
Is it the shebang? Can't remember how that works. We want to do curl.
Oh, that's cool. You're just writing a shell script.
Yeah, just to test it. Oh, maybe I'll turn it back off. So curl. Oh yeah, OAuth 2. Oh, this is authorization versus access token.
Yeah.
Let's try access token. And then we need this -h. Content type. Yeah, that's fine.
Header.
And then this was -d.
Let's be the authorization.
This is grant type authorization code. Your authorization code. To look up how this API works a little bit more. All right. How to obtain an access token. Okay, go away. token name, auth URL. Okay, blah, blah, blah. What's the answer here?
You can get it in like Postman or something if you. Sometimes in Postman they already have some like predefined requests for some of the major APIs. I don't know if they have one for LinkedIn or not.
Grant type here is client. So client credentials used when you want to access your own resources, not any other users. Okay, step create an app and get your client ID, client secret ID. Done. Send a post request with the following information: grant type, client credentials, client ID, client secret. Okay. And then we get a token, right? That's what we want, is that token.
Yeah.
And okay, let's see if that works. Then we don't have to do the 3-legged one, which is more work.
Yeah, I mean, I suppose if that works, then great.
You want to access a user's data. I just want to access my data. Okay, let's try that. So we grant type. Yeah, authorization code. And then we need client ID equals, what is my client ID?
It actually I think it just pulled it for you in the autocomplete.
Where did that page go? Oh, I got so many windows open now. Oh, there we go. There's my client ID. This and client secret. I don't know. I'll have to delete this too. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay. What's this? How does? Yeah, there we go. There's the shebang bin bash. Okay. Now, if we run this command, chmod plus x auth. Oh, I'm in bin. That's why. Yeah, repos there. Okay. Now chmod plus x auth test. Oh, grant type is missing. Oh, do I have a typo in here? Grant. grant_type. Oh, oops, I forgot to put a slash here. There we go. And this needs to be a post as well. -x post. Code is missing. Okay. That's progress. Code equals. What did they say for the code type? Do you remember?
I do not.
I think it was just code is code.
Oh, it says right there. Code equals your authorization code. Oh, is that
Oh yeah, here.
is that the one you have in your like in your when we made the application in so for the PostCast application. Hmm. Just the ID and this the secret. That's not the code, right?
I don't think so because I have the client secret here, the client ID here.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think code. Can I just do code? I thought it was just this, but I'll try this real quick if this works. Oh, there we go. That's promised. We got somewhere. Chris C at I don't know what FR is. uh oh, that's Christy at Frozen. Oh, okay. Authorization code not found. Oh, okay. Yeah, there must be a different code or something. Because this is an old Stack Overflow answer.
Hmm.
Create an app, get your client ID secrets, send post request, access token. If I go look at this, what did that give me? Yeah, description is required. Uh, hmm. LinkedIn API.
So
Yeah.
um, in terms of getting an authorization code,
Mm-hmm.
um, so you have to make a GET request, I guess, to that same endpoint, but so I'll send you what I found.
Okay.
But caveat that with the fact that there's a few steps that we may have missed here. Um, so I might just send you this article that I found.
You're saying it in Zoom here?
Yeah, in the chat. It's
Sorry.
still talking about the three-legged authentication that they have.
Oh.
So I'm wondering if it might just be best to follow the most updated thing they have here, which is
Are you talking about this one?
yeah. Basically, I mean, it looks like you have to request an authorization code, right? That's what is that what we're actually doing here with what you're
Oh, maybe I'm missing a step. I don't want to do the three-legged one if I don't want to, though.
Well, I don't know if you have a choice. Like,
Share on LinkedIn.
and it's sort of assuming you have a server set up, which is a bit annoying.
There's a parameter called scope. Yeah, so yeah, these are all the steps we looked at before.
Yeah.
The access token for your application. Yeah, there's your access token. Um,
So yeah, there's a step before the one that you're doing, I think, which is getting the actual authorization code, right? From what I'm seeing here in this flow.
oh, what's this? Oh, two tools. Create a new access token. Oh, create, modify, delete posts. Welcome back. Okay, let me sign in, I guess. Oh, now it's okay. So I signed in. Now it's giving me this. Um, Success. Okay, so now I have a token. Oh, I have to hide that too. Expires in 2 months. Oh, this is a three-legged one though. Dang it. So I'll have 2 tokens for your apps. Tokens are required to make authenticated. Okay, so this is what people would have to do. So now I have this token.
Right.
Can I do something with it? Again, I'll just have to destroy this token when we're done. Okay, so
Well, now you should just be able to make a request to post, right?
Yeah, well, let's just see if we could do a request to.
Make a post.
Let's just see if we can view at first, and then let's try and make a post.
Okay.
Get posts. Get post by URN. Or should we just try and create a post?
You might as well.
Do I dare? Okay.
What could go wrong, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
You're locked out of your account forever. I mean, that'd be pretty awful.
How do I
I wonder if we should make like a dummy account.
to create a post on LinkedIn? UGC post.
Yeah, so now this is the API.
Author.
Access token.
Life's published. Okay,
Yeah,
we
you can
have
pretty
the.
much try all that and slap in the access token and
Your person you are in. Oh, what's this? Yeah, so yeah, we'll just try slapping my
yeah, I guess so. I mean,
curl dash
yeah, I
x.
think it should be all right. I wouldn't sweat it too much.
I wouldn't sweat it too much. It's just your LinkedIn account, not mine. Empty access token. Oh, okay, so this is a legit thing. How do I say? I just want LinkedIn. I don't want Postman. Like linked in API docs. Like just give me your. But I just want all your uh marketing.
You want the methods?
Yeah, that's what I want.
I think you're looking for this. I just posted it in the chat.
Oh yeah, cool. Request methods. Get all finder maybe. This is under API concept. But this isn't all their. Yeah, like we need the service. How do I just find data formats? Like I want their actual, all their actual APIs. I wonder if there's a, we should probably check too if there's a Go client too. This is okay. This is fun to learn. Marketing solutions. Get API. I got that already. Event management, no. Wasn't advertising. I don't think it was any of these
Is that
events.
is that really what you have it as a marketing platform? Like when you
Oh, there we are. Posts. Yeah, it's under the marketing one.
okay, because it says you need
Member social here. Sorry, go ahead.
like I was reading that you may need permission from like LinkedIn before they actually give you access as a marketing platform. Like
Oh,
explicit permission.
I hope not. I just want to post to my own, create a post. Oh yeah, okay, so here it is. Post distribution public. Okay, here's how I could find post by account. So if we just did this, community management posts. I just want to create a post permissions. Yeah. Oh, it's got a curl option here. Okay. Find post by account curl. Okay, well, let's try this one and see if it will return. So I need my Do I need to fill that in? I don't think I need the version number. I'm going to ignore that. I'm assuming it's going to use the latest one. And then this, I need my... This is my token, right?
Yeah. DSC ad account. It's asking for a this DSC ad account and code DSC ad account.
Yeah, what do you think that is? Oh, the URN.
DSC. Yeah.
Oh, I need my URN. How did I get that again? URN, there we are. I think it's just me if I want that, right? Can I just use this? Is this my URN? I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, try it. I it sounds like it's a some kind of number to identify your account. So I mean, it doesn't even say the type, like DSC ad account associated. Just okay, the DSC ad account. Because it's because yeah, I'm not sure. Person ID.
Let's ask this too real quick. How do I view posts on my old account? Ba-ba-ba-ba.
Direct sponsored ad campaign. Direct sponsored ad account.
Yeah, I'm not an ad account.
Yeah, well, that's what I was thinking. I mean, that's because you're in the like right now. It's you're going in as a marketing platform, which may be why this is asking you for your direct sponsored ad account number.
Yeah, which is I don't have. So, Oops. Okay, let's see if that'll do anything. Access denied. Not enough permissions to access. Oh, keeps getting cut off. How do I? My curl result gets cut off. How do I see the entire message?
Dash O.
Oh, shapes. Show headers and body. Dash SS. Did that work? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh no, maybe not.
That might just be the message that
Oh,
permission
he's
to
right.
access and.
Okay. Response dot. Sure. Me.get not no version. I can't even get my own URI here.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. I may be missing some stuff in the. Um, no, same thing. Is this my right token? I think so. Bear. Looks like it.
Yeah, I wonder why you set it up as marketing, Chris. Like, couldn't you just set it up as consumer instead?
For my token you're talking about?
For the application, yeah. Like, set it up on the consumer solutions platform as opposed to the marketing platform.
Um, so if you're thinking delete this app and recreate it here?
Yeah. Just to kind of simplify things.
Sure. I'll delete it. Okay. So create an app.
Right.
Oh, I need the. I need my Saturday MP. Oh yeah, but this is company's name or how do I just I don't didn't I go here tools? Oh, token tools. Oh, you need to create an app. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when you created the app, did it ask you what platform you were setting it up on?
Yeah,
Or like,
I think it made me link back to my PostCast. But I don't want to. Can I just do myself? Like I don't want people to have a company.
hmm.
Like, can I do this? Like I don't want to do a company name. This is kind of weird. Oh, token tools. What's this? Share on LinkedIn. Okay, I don't care. Products. Oh, should I sign up with a consumer? Is that what you're thinking? Like, did I sign up as the
Yeah,
wrong one?
yeah. I feel like uh,
It screwed up right at the beginning.
I was just wondering about that. Like,
How do I, but how do I create an app just as me? Like, I don't want to create it as set because I don't want other people to have.
mm,
Okay, this is driving me a little nuts. Let's try. Okay. How do I post to linked in using their API? I only want to authenticate as me, not as a company. I only want to post under my own account and not others. Man, this is harder than I thought it was going to be. Oh, the
yeah,
three-legged.
three-legged authentication. Yeah, with member social, additional scopes, open ID, and profile. Looks like it's
Yeah,
scraped
oh, you'll
from
need to
the.
associate with the LinkedIn page, even for personal posting.
Yeah,
Oh, well, maybe, this is what we did.
pretty much. Yeah.
All right. I don't want to create a company page. Is it still possible to post?
It's also telling you about the person URN, by the way, there. Those.
Yeah, but this is going to be the biggest hang up. Like, if we do this, like, everyone's going to have a LinkedIn page. Like, I don't want you or whoever else is using it to have to create a LinkedIn page.
Right.
Yeah.
Because what? Yeah, because everyone's going to need their own credentials, right?
Well, everyone's going to need their own credentials, but they're actually going to have to create this company page, right? Like this is my personal LinkedIn page, right? Chris Cumby.
Yeah.
But to create the app, I had to put it under my SaturdayMP page, right?
Yeah. So that might be okay for like people at Weekly Dev Check, but not like outside. Is that what I'm hearing?
But like for you to use, like if you were to use PostCast, you would have to create some dummy page just so you could use the PostCast app. Like you can't just get an API key for yourself, as far as I can tell,
Right. Right.
which is
It's a
kind
bit
of
annoying.
dumb. Yeah.
Yeah.
To automate the posting.
Yeah, you could do it with I was just thinking that, funny enough, which is brittle, but um
without without a company page. Oh yeah,
you could
so
do it the hacky, brittle, you know, not bulletproof way.
uh, post to LinkedIn via API without a company page. Oh, that's really weird. Is that what I have to do? Yeah, so it requires a company page.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, that's what was really messing me up too. I didn't want to have to do that. Yeah. Member social, that's what we've been doing. We would love an OAuth 2 scope. And then we could create a token. Yeah, and then get the user information, bearer, access token. Well, I guess that's what we have to do. Like, people just have to do it. Like, that's not a limitation on us. Okay, should we try this? Well, what is it? Oh, it's almost an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, should we try this one more time? See if I can get this to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, because yeah, maybe that's just going to be a requirement, I guess, to be able to use this thing.
Oh, that is
The
never mind.
costs of hosting on these platforms, right?
Okay. So I didn't pick advertising API. Sign in with LinkedIn, use an OpenID Connect. LinkedIn ad library. Okay, so let's just try creating. How did I auth? Okay. OAuth 2 settings. Authorize redirect URLs. No permissions added. Okay.
So you need those permissions, right, for your OAuth 2
Yeah. So I think I
token?
need this, right? Share on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
What is OpenID Connect ID?
And I think you're gonna need that as well, right?
OAuth 2. Oh, maybe this is what we were missing last time.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have these two accesses. Right. Okay. Now it kind of matches what this blog post is at least saying.
Right.
Oh, maybe. Okay. Maybe I was missing this. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I should be able to create an access token. That's what we did last time. I'm going to create a new token. Select this
Right.
one.
And I guess you can pick, or maybe you can't. Because you're stuck with three-legged.
Okay.
Select scopes. I think you might need all of them, right? OpenID.
I guess it doesn't hurt to select them all for now. I
Right.
understand. Oh, right. I have to sign in here again. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Hello. Okay. There's my brand new token. So let's just get rid of this one.
Bit of a thing, eh, to interact with these platforms.
Yeah. Okay. So now if I'm following along with this, where did that go? Yeah, he's just using the one to get his info. Or URN.
There's something in Claude about getting the URN when in that last prompt that you're doing.
Picture. Okay.
maybe just try, but maybe just try the simplest request first, just to see if we're getting anything like the one he has.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking here. So curl uh, get. Let's just copy this. User info. Dash H. And then this bearer token. And I need to replace it with this.
Is that the token that you just created for the new app he made?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, hey, there we go. That looks better.
Cool.
All right. Email
Yeah.
verified true. My name. Oh, apparently I'm in the US for some reason. Okay. Uh,
Looks
picture. Oh, yeah,
legit.
there's a picture for me there.
All right, all right, all right.
Oh,
That's progress.
so people watching these videos, you just cut to the end here right now. That's all you need to see. So, okay, do I dare try and post something?
I mean, it'd be great if
Oh,
it's in the cards, you know?
I need my URN. How do I get the?
Yeah, if you go back to your, like, when you were prompting Claude there, it was,
Sub.
it
This is
spat out something.
my URN here. This value here,
Oh, okay.
apparently. Okay. So now we should be able to do curl X. This is gonna be a post. I guess we could do these environment variables too. Here, access token equals. Again, I'll just delete this access token after. So everyone trying to use it, it won't work. Boom. URN. And then, oh, sure, post body. This is a test. Post to here. All right. I'll just cut and paste this, I guess, just to see if it works. Okay, so we got the LinkedIn version. I'm just going to leave that out. Just assume it uses the latest one. That's my access token. Okay, so this is my author. This is me. Oh, I could even maybe even put draft or something in here, I wonder. Okay. Specific content. Looks like a share, post body, share media category, none, visibility.
Sorry, where did you get um that this code for the request? Like, was that?
Oh, it's in this blog post here. Whoops.
Oh, okay.
So I just grabbed it from here.
Okay.
So I'll have to look up exactly what these are, but it looks like we have to check with Go. Maybe Go has a built-in LinkedIn library we can
Hmm.
already use. But so yeah, that's me. This lifecycle stash. Maybe this could be draft or something, like I was saying. This content looks like the text we want to post. Shared media category. I don't know what that means. Visibility. I guess it's publicly visible.
Okay.
Okay. So let's
You said
try.
it's private.
That's okay. I'll just delete it right away. Illegal argument. Okay. Request body cannot be converted to data map. Oh, whoops. This is. Oh yeah, no. This is single quote. Single quote. Unmatched close brace. Oh, I gotta open bracket somewhere or something. Okay. Test. Oh, this is a test. Post body.
Do you have anything for post body? But that's not the error.
Yeah, I have it up here.
Yeah.
Author URN.
Position 6.
Resolve host A. Yep.
Sounds like there's something in that, like it's showing it by like where it's pointing there in the error, like but before the share media category um, key value, where it says like it's pointing at that bracket, right?
But this is a test.
Like where it's so on your line 10,
Mm-hmm.
right, where you have so all the way down, like if you keep going down by you're right. So there's something going on here, right? That's where the problem. Share media
Be.
category none. Yeah. Yeah. So why is it not liking that right there where the squiggly bracket is?
Um.
Unmatched close brace bracket.
Yeah.
Can you like format it a little differently just to see what you got going on there?
What we might be missing.
Yeah.
Right. That one closes that guy.
Hmm.
This guy closes this guy. This one closes this one. This one closes this one. These two guys close each other. This closes out. So it looks okay.
Is that right to have the double quotes and the single quote around um, your post body?
Yeah, because it lets you put double quotes inside. Otherwise, you have to escape all these double quotes.
Oh, I see.
I think that's okay. Maybe it doesn't like. Maybe it doesn't like that. Command not found. Oh, line 5. Oh, okay, it does mean it. Am I setting all these correctly? Oh, let's just try this. Maybe my environment variables or whatever aren't getting set up correctly. Request body could be not converted to a data map. It's the same error. Oh, okay. Your JSON is broken but by shell coding, so curl treats parts. Okay. So they just use this
It's
whole
broken by shell coding.
Oh, okay. Well, we could just try this whole thing. Maybe there's a problem in that guy's example. Author. Oh, they just put it all in there. Okay, that's fine too. I don't know. Oh, that looks better.
Yep.
Let's see what we got. Chris.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look, there's a blank. Oh no, there's a blank one in there too. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, okay. Hey, it worked. Okay.
Nice.
Let me delete those before I forget. Show all posts. Oh, people are getting impressions of this. Okay. Delete post. Delete. Delete post. Delete. All right.
Nice.
Okay. So we know we can do it.
Yeah.
Now I'm okay. Just I guess real quick before we go, linked in Go library. LinkedIn API Go library. Well, it looks like there's unofficial ones, which I'm always kind of hesitant to use. Yeah, it's currently in beta. Yeah, great. Yeah, it hasn't been maintained in a while. I don't think they have their own. I don't think they have their own one yet. So.
Yeah, you were thinking there's like an official Go one.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like. We'll have to look a little bit more. But hey, okay, cool. We got this working. So at least we know. Because if there's not an official one, what we'll end up doing, I don't know if we'll create our own unofficial one, but we'll have a whole separate, like, kind of module or area where this is all hidden, right?
Yeah.
All this crap is hidden. And then what you'll end up doing is you'll just be writing something like Go API. I don't even know how it works. Or LinkedIn, it'd be like API dot, I don't know, log in, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
And then LinkedIn API.
Just abstract it all.
Yeah. Dot post. post, and then
Yeah, you can just
title,
expose these.
body, whatever else it's going to go in there, something like that, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's you can just have it as a package and go, right? Like its own package, custom
Yeah,
package.
is that what they call packages or modules or whatever? But we'll
Yeah,
have
I think in
something
Go they
like
call
that
them packages. Yeah.
that abstracts it away. So,
Mm.
oh, okay. So LinkedIn is a lot harder to connect to than I thought it was going to be, but okay, we
We'll
got a
see
poke
how.
note.
I guess we'll try Slack next.
I think Slack is easier. Like I've connected. Have I written code that connects to Slack, or just use third-party APIs all the time? I think I just use third-party APIs, but
I mean, I know they have webhooks. Like I've dealt with webhooks before. Um, so and they're they're generally pretty easy to work with once you kind of get the main sort of flow of how things are working. So I mean, I yeah, it might not be
hmm.
famous last words, I guess, but it might not be as complicated as this.
Author. Because how would we put text with lifecycle? Oh yeah, okay. So you can put draft, published, processing. I should make this bigger.
Nice.
Visibility. Yeah. Dark. Ooh. Okay. What was that? What was the text though? That looked complicated. Specific content is what it was called. Represents a type of specific conference object. Okay. Oh, okay. So you could put a media URL. Guess you could put an image. Question. Oh, right. All the different types of posts you can make. Because we just did a text one. Oh, we did a share commentary. Oh. Okay,
Yeah,
message to share. Oh, okay, okay. So we'd have to go through here and figure out some more of these options, but
yeah,
and share media. We didn't share any media, but we could put an image there, I think, if we wanted.
right.
Okay, okay. Well, that's kind of cool. Yeah, we'll have to figure out the Go. Go must have some sort of like not curl library, but like a HTTP library that we can use that we'll have to figure out. Huh. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That was a very long way to get there. Well, what are we at? 100 or not 100, an hour and 45 minutes. Uh, yeah, I think we wrap this video up here. I'll have to edit this a bit too because there's stuff. Well, most of these tokens and stuff I'm just going to delete them. So, um, yeah, I'll still have to edit this video. That part will suck. Yeah, cool. Thanks, Omar. I don't know. Hopefully, I felt like maybe I was talking too much this time. Sorry if I wasn't listening to you enough.
No, no. No, again, it was kind of like, you know, it's good that you're driving and I'm kind of looking in and trying to um sometimes, throw in my 2 cents and maybe get us steered in the right direction when possible.
Yeah, well, maybe next time we should get you to drive. I can be the one yakking.
Yeah, we could try that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And we did this whole agents thing. I'll have to look at this, see if it's any good. I forgot about that. We kicked it off and then we got so distracted. I didn't look back at it again. Yeah. No, that's cool. And this is where I find, I don't know if you found the same thing, like AI just for helping with some of this documentation or just some of these fixes is like super useful.
That was useful for sure.
Like even this, like, hey, what's wrong with this? And it's just like, oh, here's a fix, and you're like, oh, it works, cool. So
Yeah, it seems like a good combination once you've exhausted some things, like once you've like because I always think that if you would have tried this earlier, you just may not have sort of even known what to prompt for or what to ask, right? Like,
mm,
but I think it's a combination. Like you're still kind of going through the process of trial and error and looking yourself at the documentation and looking at, doing your own sort of research, and then you get to a point where you're like, okay, it seems like this is where the problem is, this is what I'm looking for. And then you ask it, and then it sort of gives you this output, which um, you now even have that like idea of what it should look like, right? Like that this request, the body is a JSON file that kind of has these um, the data shape is something you already kind of have a reference for. So there's like a
yeah,
URN going in there, that what these things are, right? As opposed to like if you just saw this and you're like, okay, where the heck does anything go? And then it's just kind of a big mess.
yeah,
That's what I'm seeing so far. Yeah.
yeah. That was fun. Okay, so yeah, we'll wrap this up, and then I don't know, we'll figure out something. Maybe maybe we'll actually get to a user interface next week or something like that. So uh, yeah, thanks everyone for watching. If you liked it, of course, if you like these really long videos, then like, subscribe, do all the things. Share it with people if they're having trouble sleeping. I guess share this video with them. Maybe this will help them get to sleep easier at night. And yeah, thanks again, Omar, for joining me. This is really fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, have a good day, everyone, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.